See, when I did a big piece, I had a bunch come off. Then if I do little pieces at a time. Okay, so there's my egg. On your recipe, it's going to tell you to cut it vertically. Okay, well, the egg is an oval. This would be cutting it horizontally. Okay, when we're gonna cut it vertically, we're gonna cut it this way with the long side of the egg.
Oh, guys.
Look what we did to our egg. We messed it up, but...
They look good.
No, not that one. Sure.
This one, it is.
Oh, it's
cracking
okay.
right there.
But we can't take it off. Because I'm just going to cut it anyway, so it'll be fine.